You are going to love the 2018 A4. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio digital sound processing, footwell lights, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.